biggest challenge for me when I left Times Now was that I had to set up Republic in a very short period of time. And I needed to work with a team that was willing to achieve the impossible. But we also needed someone with commitment. I saw that with Cineom, and they helped me put together this channel in record time. They have been an integral part of my success, which is why I am willing to go out there in the market and validate their commitment. I look forward to working with them in the future as well.
We wanted Bloomberg Quint to be India's first fully integrated, multi-platform premium business news service. Actually, Cineom, if you were to look at it, Vinayak and Shailesh, they are competent, they are knowledgeable, they know their stuff, and under the direct supervision, we were able to finish this facility in a timely manner. So, hey, thanks Cineom for partnering with us.
I want to do something which does not exist in entertainment space in India, and the only role models we have is the theme parks abroad. So we had to find out the best possible, and thanks to Cineom and other advisors we have.